When shopping for a water softener, you might come across the terms Clack water softener or Fleck water softener. But here's the thing. Clack and Fleck do not manufacture complete water softener systems. What they do make is control valves and mineral tanks used in water softeners sold by third-party dealers such as Discount Water Systems and Duro Water. So which one would you choose? In this video, we'll compare both softeners in terms of water softening efficiency, ease of installation, and usage to find just that. As always, you'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Hard water removal. Both Clack and Fleck control valves are NSF 44 certified. In addition to that, independent tests have shown that both systems effectively remove hardness from water. Both Clack and Fleck use 10% cross-linked resin, which is best for durability against chlorine degradation. It also removes some clear water iron. Both Clack and Fleck offer a variety of sizes to fit different household needs and are designed to ensure minimal pressure drop when sized and installed correctly. So, it's a tie here. Round 2. Ease of installation and maintenance. Both Clack and Fleck water softeners are easy to install, thanks to comprehensive setup guides and helpful video tutorials. Clack softeners support both upflow and downflow regeneration, allowing for more efficient salt usage. They have features like a digital control head, double backwash for optimal regeneration, and a non-volatile memory to store system configuration and operation data. But Clack control valves are reportedly not as widely available as Fleck. Fleck systems also include a digital control head, overflow prevention safety float, and metered regeneration, making them safe for septic systems. They also benefit from better availability, making it easier to find parts. Both systems lack Bluetooth features, which might be a drawback if you prefer smart connectivity. Also, both are referred to as Frankenstein systems because the source of different parts and valves are unclear. It's a tough call, so we declare a tie again. Round 3. Customer support and warranty. Clack and Fleck both offer 5-year warranties on control valves and 10-year warranties on resin and brine tanks. Clack does not sell directly to consumers, so support depends on third-party dealers. While customer service is generally decent, Clack lacks verified customer reviews. Fleck, however, has extensive online reviews, and customers have also reported good support from the respective dealers. It's safe for me to declare a tie here too. Final verdict. After a head-to-head comparison between Clack and Fleck, we declare a tie between the two water softeners. Depending on availability and price, you can choose either, but Fleck softeners seem to have more replacement parts and user reviews for guidance. But how does Fleck compare to market leader Springwell softeners? Watch this video to know it all.